one thing you should do when you start your website is to update the site icon, sometimes called the favicon. Now, different websites and different themes have different options for updating this. Within the sparkling theme that we're using right now, we have an option to update the icon. It's this little one up here. You can see, for an example, I opened up the DeWalt website and they have a little D up there. I have another website where you can actually find icons called iconfinder.com, and it has a little logo of their website. Now, iconfinder.com is a great place to find icons and graphics that you could use for your little icon up here. If you can create something a little bit more unique, that's probably a good idea. But I just want to use this as an example. So to change that, go to your appearance and customize settings. Again, this is going to be in the sparkling theme settings. If you're using another theme, it might be in your theme settings as well. Go to site identity, and then under site icon, we're going to upload a new image. So let's just go and upload. Find our tool icon that we downloaded. It recommends a 512 by 512 pixel image so that this can be used as both your site icon, and if someone saves your website as an app or as a link on their smartphone, this shows up as that home icon on their phone screen. If your image isn't a perfect square, it's going to ask you to crop the image, and you can see a preview of what it looks like right here. Now, you can see that our site has a little icon up here. So that's how you add a site identity logo at the top of your website.